Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing great. I am Manhar and welcome back to our Safety webcast. In today's video, we are going to learn the steps on how to disable security defaults in Microsoft Entra ID Tenant. Microsoft Entra ID includes security defaults as a way to automatically enhance the security of your organization. Security defaults requires our users to register for MFA within 14 days. However, users can postpone this registration. After 14 days, they'll be forced to do the registration. However, this only happens during interactive sign-ins. Security defaults is enabled by default on all newly created Microsoft Entra ID tenants to protect you from phishing and other identity-related attacks. But sometimes you may need to disable these defaults for specific use cases or to customize your security settings. For example, if you want to set up a conditional access policy, you can't enable it before you turn off security defaults. In this video, we'll learn how to disable security defaults in Microsoft Entra ID. First, we need to sign in to the Microsoft Entra ID Admin Center. You can access Microsoft Entra Admin Center using the URL entra.microsoft.com. Log in with an account that has the necessary permissions, typically a global administrator or privileged role. For this video, we have used the global administrator account to log into the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Expand Identity section and click on Overview. On Overview tab, go to the Properties tab. At the bottom of this page, you will see a section called Security Defaults. This is where the option to enable or disable the feature is located. Under the Security Defaults section, you will see an option that says Manage Security Defaults. To disable security defaults, simply click on the Manage Security Defaults link. Currently, a Microsoft Entra tenant is protected with security defaults. To disable security defaults, simply set security defaults to disable. Select a reason for disabling security defaults. For this example, I am selecting the option my organization is planning to use conditional access. Since we are using Microsoft Entra ID free subscription, we are receiving message you do not have P1 or P2 license to start using conditional access. But for just demonstration purpose, I am selecting this option that my organization is planning to use conditional access. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page. On confirmation pop-up, click on Disable. After saving the changes, we have now successfully disabled the security defaults for Microsoft Entra ID Tenant. Confirm that security defaults appear as your organization is not protected by security defaults. We did successfully turn off security defaults in the Microsoft Entra Tenant. Before making this change, always make sure you have a strong alternative security configuration in place to protect your organization's sensitive data and accounts. One more thing to keep in mind, if you disable security defaults, you are responsible for implementing alternative security measures such as conditional access policies, custom multi-factor authentication, and many more. Microsoft highly recommends keeping security defaults enabled unless you have a specific need for disabling them. By following the same steps, you can re-enable the security defaults if necessary. That's it for today's video on how to disable security defaults in Microsoft Entra ID. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, please leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos on Microsoft Entra ID and other Microsoft related topics. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.